YouTube. So I know I look a little different, but I'm back and I'm better. And I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. I just did this to my hair yesterday, so I'm still finagling with it. But it is Saturday, the 24th of October, and I am actually going to look at a house. I know you guys, I just moved in a year ago, but our lease is up in May, so I'm trying to see what I really like and what I really want. So I'm going to meet my realtor, and I'm going to see, not my realtor, but my agent, and I'm going to see what I like. And I have a few houses picked out, so I know you guys want to see like the houses and stuff that I've been looking at and all that good stuff. I haven't really been vlogging. I haven't been on YouTube. A lot of stuff has happened lately, and I'm gonna do a sit down video and talk to you guys about it. Probably today. That'll be another video that I make today. Just doing my makeup and stuff, so you guys can get to hear from me. But I am on my way to see my agent right now. I have to meet her at 11 o'clock. It's 10:40, and it takes me about 15 minutes to get to the actual location. So I'm gonna go and stop talking now, but I'll show you guys the house and whatever else I do today. I'll just vlog. And yeah, I'm excited to be back. I talked to my friend Sydney yesterday, and she was just like, get back on YouTube and, you know, do all that stuff. So I am going to do that. Shout out to Sid. I love her. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the house. Looking at y'all, I'm at the house. This is my agent, Anna. Hey, Anna. This is nice. I actually like it. I didn't expect the water. I didn't know it was water back here.
Oh yeah, no backyard neighbors.
Oh, duckies. I like it though. I like the little patio. It's super close though. That's the only thing.
Yeah, they usually are in these neighborhoods. I recommend either doing these curtains, or you can do the privacy screen. It's just like a thicker screen over the
Yeah. Yeah, this is nice though. It's very quiet. I like it. I mean, it is in the morning, so. Yeah, but I like it. So are the owners already like out of the house?
Yeah, so they were renting it out.
Oh, okay.
So this is a rental.
Oh, they left it nice.
Oh yeah, had it clean.
Yeah, that's good.
You have laminate countertops.
This is not bad. I mean, I would get marble anyways, or granite.
Oh yeah.
That's my
That's an
preferred.
unusual placement, and if you didn't want the brown counters, you need to paint it red as well.
Of course.
You can use
Is the room down here? Or the garage?
Yep. The garage, this should be a half bathroom. Yep, there's a half bathroom here.
Oh, this is the laundry.
Well, the garage goes there.
Oh, okay. I like that. Okay, so half bath, which is good. It's not out there, so people can't. Oh. Oh yeah, most definitely. I will be calling Stanley Steamers. Ooh, I love the window sills. Yeah.
Feel free to walk through. We have 2 bedrooms and then a full bathroom in the corner, your loft, and then your master.
Okay. Oh wow, this is a big bathroom. Wow. I like this. I'm cute. I like it. I like the windowsill here. This can be a sitting area. And then there's a closet. This is probably like an office.
Where do you currently rent? Around here?
No, I actually live on Falkenberg and Causeway.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's moving out here?
It's more quiet and it's a lot more houses.
Yeah, the value.
So,
I understand that.
yeah, I love the double doors. This makes me feel like a princess. Oh yeah. This is what I need.
Closet.
I have so many clothes, Anna. So many clothes. Oh, I like it. It's really nice. It's big. It just needs a clean. That's it. Oh, yeah. This is definitely it. I like it. I would definitely. I love this. This is nice. This is really nice. Hopefully, something like this stays.
Yeah. Are you gonna would you be looking at breaking a lease if you found something you wanted, or you want to wait till your lease is up?
I want to wait till my lease is up because I live with someone. I'm not like, you know, just by myself. If it was just me, I would break my lease.
Yeah.
But it's not just me.
Okay.
So I didn't want to put that on her, and that's my friend. So
Yeah, screw over.
yeah, and they're looking for a home as well. So
Are they gonna purchase?
they're gonna purchase.
Yeah, first time home buyers as well.
Yeah,
Oh, that's exciting.
I know. We just moved last year too, so I'm pretty excited. This is nice though. It's not super big and it's not super little.
Plenty of space.
For me, just by myself, because I don't have like a boyfriend or nothing. So like, it's just me. I don't need like a whole bunch of whatever. Okay, y'all got to see some of the house that I actually went to go see with my agent, Anna. And I'm super excited about it. I'm super ready to like look into houses for real, because now I know what I really need to do in order to get the house that I want and stuff like that. And then I know it's gonna be a while before I get started as far as the process, but I definitely want to just grow and learn as much as I can before I move out, especially from the people that are in this field. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera, you guys, I'm driving. So I just definitely want to make this process as easy as possible for myself. I want to know what I want. I want to know what I like and what I can and can't change, what I can and can't do as far as a home, because this is my first time buying a house and I don't want to, you know, make really big mistakes. So I'm appreciative of Anna. She was super helpful. She was super nice, and like I loved everything about her. Like she was so sweet. And then another thing, we actually have another list of houses that we're gonna go through, and I'm super excited about that because your girl found some gems, okay? And hopefully, and they've been on the market for a long time. Like I'm looking at these houses, I'm like on the market for like 100+ days and all that stuff. So I'm super excited about that. I'm super ready to move into my own space, like my own everything. Don't get me wrong, I love my friends, but like I need my own space. I can't live in my room. I can't have like my business in my room, and I can't do all that stuff. Like, and then I have a shared living space, so I can't have everything that I, you know, am working on in the same space. You get what I'm saying? So I need to like have my own everything, because I need to have breathing room, and I need my business in a separate room, or else I won't be motivated. And I know a lot of people have heard that before, because yeah, no, that won't help me at all. Like I won't be motivated to work. I won't be motivated to do anything at all. And I just need my own space. So I'm super excited. I'm super ready to get out of my my apartment. Not like super ready, but like I'm ready to grow. Like I'm ready for a house. Like mentally I'm there. Like I want a house. I don't want to live with anyone but myself right now. And I'm super excited, not to say it in a bad way either. Like I said, I love my friends, but having my own space will definitely help me. So you guys are going to be able to see all of the houses that I actually am looking at. I'm going to take you guys on that journey with me, show you guys what I'm doing as far as like first time home buyer stuff, and like saving my money, even though like a lot of stuff has happened in the past week. I'm going to share with you guys in the next video what happened in the past week, so you guys can kind of get a gist of what's going on and how I'm living my life right now. So yeah, I'm glad you guys were able to see the house with me, and I will see you guys in my next video.